Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest trends and technologies shaping the world we live in. Today, we'll be discussing blockchain technology, an emerging technology that has the potential to revolutionize various industries. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply curious about blockchain, this video is for you. Blockchain technology is a decentralized, secure, and transparent ledger that records transactions and other data without the need for intermediaries. The technology is most commonly associated with cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, but it has a wide range of other applications, including supply chain management, voting systems, and identity verification. One of the main benefits of blockchain technology is its decentralized nature, which means that no single entity controls the network. This makes it difficult for hackers to compromise the system and ensures that transactions are secure and transparent. Another advantage of blockchain technology is its ability to create smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. This eliminates the need for intermediaries, reduces transaction costs, and enhances the speed and accuracy of transactions. Blockchain technology is also gaining traction in industries such as healthcare, where it can be used to securely store and share patient data, and the legal industry, where it can be used to create tamper-proof contracts and verify legal documents. In conclusion, blockchain technology is a rapidly growing field with enormous potential to transform various industries. As the technology continues to evolve, it's important to stay informed about the latest developments and applications. So, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching.